There it is, and I added some banana over it. Hey guys, hope you all having an amazing day. Woke up like an hour ago. As you can see, now I'm vlogging more because it's more fun. Every video of mine will have that chilly vibe in it because truly I'm bored with all those formal kind of videos. Anyways, hair is all messed up. Gonna get a haircut and I will see you after that. And we are back. Got my haircut done with the shower, and now I'm going to talk about protein pancakes. Protein pancakes has been stable in my diet for a week now, and it's really good. All you have to know is how to make them perfectly, and today I'm going to teach you that. So these are all the items that you need: a banana, flour, egg, protein, butter, some syrup and milk. And I'm going to describe each and every item separately. Put all these items in the blender. So the first thing you need is flour. Put 70 grams of flour. Next thing you have to put is milk in it. Now you can put any type of milk in it. It could be whole fat milk or even slim milk, depending upon the calories you have to play with. After milk, put an whole egg in it. Then put protein powder. 1 scoop of protein powder is enough. Now if you don't have protein powder, it's still fine. You can increase the quantity of eggs or milk depending upon how much protein you need. Protein powder is not necessary. Just add any other sweetener you want. It could be vanilla syrup of anything you prefer. Now the last thing you need to add is some baking powder in it. Just a small teaspoon. Now when you are done, just blend them all up. This is how your protein paste will look like. If it's too solid, just add more milk in it. Otherwise, it's just perfect. Now add some butter in the frying pan. You can even add olive oil or anything you prefer. Just butter tastes better. Now add the paste in it. When bubbles start coming up, just flip it. You know it's ready then. Perfect. And there we go. Absolutely perfect. And there they are, completely ready. Now the kind of toppings you add is completely your choice. You can get how much creativity you want. All I am gonna add is some chocolate syrup and that's it. There it is, and I added some banana over it. Now the type of toppings you add is completely your choice. You can add Nutella, honey, more fruits like strawberry, blueberry, anything you want. Just remember, the better it tastes, the less macro friendly it will be. The components of carbohydrates and fat will increase. If you are bulking, add more eggs and whatever you else like banana and anything you like. And if you are cutting, just remove the calories, like remove the banana, reduce the chocolate syrup, anything you want. So that's it guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.